every AI founder thinks they are building the next billion-dollar product. Reality check, most of them aren't even building businesses. They are just building features. And Google or OpenAI can crush those with a single update. In this video, I'll show you the 3 mistakes killing AI startup right now and how to fix them before you end up in the startup graveyard. Mistake number 1. Building a feature, not a product. Founders love shouting AI email writer, AI scheduler, AI coding helper. Cool. But these are just features sitting on top of someone else's platform, and the landlord always wins. Jasper was once hyped as the future of writing. Now it's just a button inside ChatGPT. Fix. Here's how you fix that. Stop asking, what can I build with AI? Start asking, what pain is so bad people would be mad if it disappeared? AI isn't your mood. Solving a painful problem is. Don't build an AI that writes email. Build an AI that saves sales team 10 hours a week so that they can hit quota. One's a toy, the other means revenue. Mistake number 2. Believing AI is equal to instant products. Copilot coding feels magical. Look, mom, I built an app in 2 weeks, but that demo collapses the second real users touch it. AI writes code fast, but it does not give you architecture, security, or scale. And if everyone can build fast, the market just fills with clones. And here's how to fix it. Speed of learning is just the edge. Prototype, test with customers, refine, and then repeat. And don't skip the boring stuff. Security, reliability, and uptime. That's what makes people trust you when everyone else is out there sipping half-baked SaaS. Mistake number 3. Thinking AI replaces customer discovery. Some founders literally ask ChatGPT, what features do customer want? And it happily makes stuff up. 6 months later, surprise. Nobody cares. Customers don't say, I want a ride-sharing app. They say, I'm tired of standing in the rain. The real insight comes from what people do, not what AI imagined. And how to fix it? Talk to 10 to 20 customers, record, transcribe, then let AI analyze patterns. AI can't replace discovery, but in speed, it can speed up the analysis. Garbage in, garbage out. So, your AI startup would fail if you build features instead of products. Ship fast but learn slow. Treat ChatGPT like your head of customer research. But if you fix this, you are not just building another shiny AI toy. You are building something that lasts. So that's it for today. If you want a breakdown of how to actually run those customer interviews, check out my next video. And hey, subscribe so that you don't have to wake up and see Google launch your entire product for free.